How to reset Bingo Blitz account. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to reset your account or simply change into another account, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game, just like this. After opening it, tap onto three lines right here at the top. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find connect and log out. Now select it. Now to reset your account, you can simply log out from this account and add another account and your account will be reset and you can simply play it from the start. Now tap on to log out. Then tap on to log out right here. Now you can simply tap on to new player and simply add another account. And that's it. This is how you can reset the Bingo Blitz account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.